Angel One Limited Q3 FY26 results, strong revenue growth, profitability under pressure. Angel One saw a measured share price response following the Q3 FY26 announcement, with sentiment balanced between strong top-line expansion and elevated costs that weighed on profitability compared with the year-ago period. For the quarter ended December 31, 2025, Angel One delivered year-on-year revenue growth, reflecting increased client trading activity, higher average turnover per client, and sustained participation in equity and derivatives markets. Despite revenue momentum, net profit was lower compared with the prior year period as operating expenses rose to support growth initiatives, platform enhancements, and expanded service offerings beyond pure broking. Operating expenses increased as the company invested in technology, digital distribution channels, and marketing to capture incremental client segments and strengthen its competitive positioning. Core brokerage income remained a substantial contributor to overall revenues, while ancillary fee streams such as subscription services and value-added offerings also contributed to top-line growth. Operating leverage remained an area of focus, with management emphasizing the need to balance expense growth with scalable revenue gains to drive sustainable profit margins. Client metrics continued to show healthy trends, including active client base expansion and improved share of client wallet in terms of turnover generation across market segments. Within the broader broking industry, competitive intensity and pricing pressures remain key considerations, as players vie for market share in a market that has seen broad participation but variable trading volumes. Risks include slower market volatility affecting client turnover, sustained high marketing and technology investments, and regulatory changes that could influence fee structures or client behavior. Catalysts for future performance include deeper penetration of non-broking financial services, cross-sell of wealth and insurance products, and strong client loyalty programs that improve fee-based income sustainability. The investor takeaway is that Angel One's Q3 FY26 results demonstrate strong revenue traction but underline the importance of scaling operating efficiencies, with profitability recovery hinging on balancing growth investments with disciplined cost management.